everyone, welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Today I'll be making teriyaki tofu rice bowl. It's a delicious rice bowl with tender tofu glazed in sweet and savory teriyaki sauce. Place tofu for 30 minutes to remove excess moisture. Then cut into bite-sized pieces. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Coat tofu pieces in potato starch and fry until crispy on both sides. Transfer the tofu to a plate. Wipe the pan clean, then add mirin, soy sauce, sake, and sugar. Simmer over medium heat. Return the tofu to the pan and toast to coat evenly in the sauce. Plate the cooked rice and sprinkle shredded nori on top. Arrange the teriyaki tofu and roasted vegetables. Finish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. I hope you enjoy this teriyaki tofu rice bowl.
いただきます。
At the end of this 14-day series, all recipes with links to the videos will be packaged in a downloadable PDF. Stay tuned for details on how to get it. Open the tofu package and drain the water. Place the tofu on a plate and set a flat surface on top, like a cutting board. Add something heavy to apply pressure and let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.